I believe that all efforts from the state government and the national government is going to benefit these children so they can get back in their schools sooner.
Now at 6, MPS families wanting answers and the truth about federal efforts to address the lead crisis inside several schools.
Milwaukee health leaders are refuting claims from U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He said a federal team is on the ground in Milwaukee helping address this issue.
Our Lighthouse reporter Ben Jordan spoke with Lucretia, whose family has been affected by lead, and gets to the bottom of what, if any, help the city has received from the federal government.
These 4 MPS schools found to be contaminated with lead remain closed as the school year winds down. Lucretia Scales' granddaughter goes to Starm's Early Childhood Center, where lead cleanup efforts just ended.
I was very concerned because I taken her to the doctor and they detected lead in her system, and I didn't know where it was coming from possibly. So to find out that the schools have lead, yeah, that was concerning.
For months now, the health department and MPS have collaborated to remove lead paint from 10 schools. HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. told senators on Tuesday that a federal team is helping with those efforts.
In Milwaukee, we have a team in Milwaukee, and we're giving laboratory support to the analytics in Milwaukee, and we're working with the health department of Milwaukee.
Milwaukee Public Schools says RFK is mistaken. The health department tells me there is no team from HHS or CDC in Milwaukee assisting with the MPS lead hazard response. Mayor Cavalier Johnson says the false claims make him furious.
It's just not true. It's a lie, and it's a slap in the face to those kids and those families in Milwaukee.
A Milwaukee Health Department spokesperson tells me the only federal involvement was a visit earlier this month from one CDC lab employee who helped them onboard equipment. Mayor Johnson says the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, known as the CDC, denied the city's request for lead poisoning experts to address contamination.
We got kids in Milwaukee who have suffered from lead poisoning, and there are experts in the federal government, in HHS, in CDC that could have been here on the ground providing that additional support to amplify what we're able to do at the local level, and instead it's not.
Back at Starm's, what message would you send to RFK Jr. about these claims about a federal team in Milwaukee helping with lead?
I think he should be honest and transparent about what's going on, and if he still needs to send a team to Milwaukee, then he should do that and just don't say it, do it.
We've reached out to the White House to request an interview with Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. about lead abatement at MPS. We'll let you know if that happens. Reporting outside of MPS's central office, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.